Good day, Sir Esquivel. I am Kissy Jade R. Diputado, and I'm going to recite the preamble and Miranda rights. First is preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Miranda Rights English Version. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make may be used for or against you in any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. If you cannot afford the services of counsel, the government will provide one for you. Miranda Rights Tagalog Version. Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magsalit sa walang kibo. Anuman ang iyong sasabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay mayroong ding karapatang kumuha ng tagapagtanggol na iyong pinili, at kung wala kang kakayahan, ito ay ipagkakaloob sa iyo ng pamahalaan. Thank you.